Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm so excited because I got this massive geode mold from Just4youonlineUK. Now they are my favorite company for silicone molds. Their molds are just amazing. And so we're going to do a big fat geode today. And for some reason I've been really inspired by like pink and gold recently, so that's what we're going to use. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but this is already really glossy because there's already a layer of the Stone Coat Countertops art coat in here that I poured probably about a week ago into here. And that's obviously dry. I just wanted to make sure I didn't want to over pour any of the layers, so it'll probably be 3 layers by the time I'm done with it. We'll see. Let's go over materials. This is a very pretty rose quartz that a friend gave to me and I've been dying to use, and I'm finally going to use it in this project. Then I have, this is a UV color switch glitter, which is also from Just4youonlineUK. Then from Stone Coat Countertops, I of course have the resin, the art coat, and then I have Alumilite white opaque dye, Alumidust light pink mica powder, and then also their pearl metallic mica powder. And lastly, from JustResin, which I get from Artist Till Death, I have bright gold paste. This is my favorite gold. It is so bright. I may also end up using some mica flakes. I'm not totally sure. I'll just see how things go. Let's get started. I'm very nervous and also very excited. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a little bit of clear down in the middle here. And then I want to kind of shape these stones. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and go over the stones with the clear. So I'm thinking that the middle will likely stay clear. I don't want to have to put too many layers on this piece. And I do think I am going to also put it a little off center. I don't want it to be really centered. It's somehow kind of a normal inclination to just center it, and then I always kind of regret it. I'll actually shove it a bit over here. And kind of flatten it out. Yeah, so these are like not your cheapo rocks from Michael's or anything. These are actual rose quartz. So I'm really excited. I think this is just going to be a gorgeous piece. I really hope. All right. Shove it in a little bit that way. All right. Now I think on the outside of this, I'm going to go ahead and go with some of the pearl. And I'm basically going to just start pouring in layers a little bit at a time, kind of go with the flow a little bit. And I don't want this to be like a really exact, perfectly shaped anything. Okay. Go ahead and move it around a little bit. I'm definitely not planning on making this take a super long time, but I do of course want to get a gorgeous product. And with this resin you have generally about an hour work time depending on the temperature. If you're working in a pretty hot space you might have less. It is in fact kind of hot in here right now. Alright, now I'm going to go in here with some of that gorgeous UV glitter from Just4youonlineUK. Links to everything will be in the description, okay guys? So please make sure you check that out. And then I think I'm also going to go outside here with a little bit of that. This should end up getting fully filled in, but I'm not going to stress about it too much because I will be putting the clear layer over all this after it's dry anyways. All right, gonna get in here with some of that light pink. Now I love this light pink because it has a gold tint to it. So I think it is perfect to go along with gold. I'm going to put some additional of it over here. Good. All right. Looking good so far. Gonna get in here with some white. I feel like I might have mixed up a bit too much white, but we'll see. I will be definitely breaking up. The gold's gonna kind of go at the end, and I'll be breaking up some of this with the gold. Okay. I think I'm gonna get in here with some more pearl. I'm definitely digging that pearl. Okay, I'm gonna actually mix up some more of the pearl. I'm gonna add it to this white. Just definitely have too much of the white. Okay, so this is more of a cream now. All right. Go outside with a bit more of the glitter. All right, dumped a little bit of the gold into this pearl color with some more clear epoxy. And I'm thinking this will make a good outside color, I hope. Kind of just thinking with the fact that if this is, you know, an agate or a geode, it's going to have that part of the rock outside. Okay, well, that wasn't my favorite color, but I think it's okay. I think it works. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and start accenting here. So first I just want to straighten out some of this pink. Go in with the gold. And for this I'm just going to use my stick and just make really simple lines. A little bit left of the pearl. I'm actually going to put some over here. Awesome. Okay. I think I am overall fairly happy with this. I think I want to do one last thing, which is I do have some more of this pink. And I think I'm going to add one last little bit of it towards the outside. Still trying to kind of make up for that color out there that I really did not like. But, you know, it's okay. Awesome. Okay. I think that really, really helped. All right. I do still have a little spot there I want to just fill. I'm going to go ahead and add a little more clear to that UV glitter that I had. There's not much in here, so it'll still mostly be clear. I'm going to just go ahead and throw some of that in that spot. And then while I'm at it, I'm going to throw a little bit over here where there's the biggest area of that kind of yucky-ish color. This will probably just sink, but that's good. All right. Now I go ahead and torch, and then we leave it alone. Actually, I'm not going to torch because this is a, you know, a silicone mold, but I'll heat gun it. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let this dry and we'll come back when it is all done. I'm gonna put one more layer, like I said, when it's dry, and then I'll show you it after that. Okay guys, this is now done and dry. I added the additional layer of resin on the top, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of gold sparkle in there because I added just a smidge of Stone Coat Countertops gold dust, which is one of my favorite products on the market. So now the reveal, the demolding. This may be the funnest part of doing silicone or molds, is taking it out of the mold. And this is always my test of a good mold, how easy it is to get it out. So I think this could actually be really cool as even a tray. It is big enough that you could make this into a table as well, or it can be just an art piece and hang on the wall. If you were making it into a table, I would definitely recommend doing a few more layers of resin, or you can use the casting resin so you can have it a bit deeper. This is, at this stage, it's too thin, you can see there, for a table. I've never used a mold this big, so this is awesome. But it is peeling out very easily. Okay, so there it is. Let's take a look at the back. Even the back looks awesome. That looks great. Because the glitter is heavy, so it sinks. So the most glitter is always going to be on the bottom. But yeah, I think this is awesome. I am not entirely sure. I think, you know, there's many directions that it can hang. One thing I do think I will do is add some of the gilding around the sides. I think that'll be a good way to kind of finish it off. But I am in love. I think this is super awesome. So full cure time for resin is actually 30 days, or at least minimally 7 days. For like gentle use. So I'm actually going to leave it in the mold for a little bit longer just to let it harden some more. But there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you're watching this in real time, stay tuned because next week we will be having a giveaway from Just For You Online UK. If you are watching this on Facebook though, the giveaway will be on my YouTube channel. So make sure you're also subscribed on my YouTube channel. Link for that in the description. We'll see you all next time.